Okay. After we create a 3D view, now we want to explore a walkthrough. To use the walkthrough, we go to ground floor level. Okay. So the first walkthrough, we want to make for the outside. Now we go to 3D view. We go to walkthrough. Okay, we start from here. Okay, we click 1, 2, 3, 4. Click escape. Okay, now we click the trail and edit walkthrough and click the previous keyframe. So you can look the keyframe. We have 4 keyframe. We can previous, we can go next keyframe, because we put 4 click and they have 4 keyframe. So we previous, and the camera we rotate here, look to building, and the view crop we drag until the back. So this is a first keyframe. So now we click next keyframe and we rotate the camera, look to car Porsche. Okay. Next keyframe, we rotate the camera, look to building. And next keyframe, last keyframe, we rotate the camera here. So we double check, we reverse the previous keyframe. Okay, now we go to open walkthrough and change the fine and the realistic, maybe a little bit heavy. So, and we open the view. Okay, and we edit walkthrough. We go to next keyframe. Next keyframe. And next keyframe. Next keyframe we open. Next keyframe we put a navigation wheel, we put up. So we fly and look at the roof. For the third keyframe, and we click button look down. So go to next keyframe, last, we rotate here and we put down from eye level and look up, look to overhang. So we double check previous keyframe. Okay, now we can try to play for double check before we render animation. Now I click play. So this is the image before we render. We check hide camera. Look, I put hide camera. And then I set up to low to the ground and look up. Okay, if you proceed to render, you can click here this rabbit button and then button export, and drop down here have a save animation. Click save animation and click walkthrough, and here we have a choice. We can click rendering, and then rendering. Okay, rendering. So I click OK. I put at the desktop Bungalow B Day 4 walkthrough. I click File format AVI. I click save. Full compress. Yes. Okay. Okay, now it start to render animation. Okay, you can start now.